Tesla and Sophia are humanoid robots. Teslabot is also known as Optimus. It is powered by Tesla's AI technology, including the same neural networks used in Tesla vehicles. It is designed for agile movement, including walking, lifting objects, and performing repetitive actions. It prioritizes physical tasks over conversational interaction. Sophia has advanced natural language processing and facial recognition. It can move its head, arms, and torso but is not designed for complex physical tasks. It leverages conversational AI for engagement and is capable of scripted and semi-scripted responses. She can answer questions and engage in conversations. She uses facial expressions and limited body movements to simulate emotions. Teslabot is built for problem-solving and efficiency in real-world physical environments. It aims to improve labor productivity by handling mundane or hazardous tasks. It can assist customers in stores with navigation or product information. It helps in stocking shelves or performing inventory management. Teslabot is early development stages, with prototypes being tested. Tesla envisions it becoming an integral part of workplaces and homes in the future. Sophia is focused on social AI and emotional intelligence. It is not designed for physical labor or problem-solving in the physical world. Sophia has a mature platform with regular public appearances since its launch in 2016. It is widely showcased but has limited practical applications beyond engagement. If you're looking for engaging conversation or public interaction, Sophia is the better option due to its social focus. If the goal is physical assistance or task automation, Teslabot is the more appropriate choice, though its full potential is yet to be realized.